Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you on how to apply for IS6FX VPS on your Android device. To begin, visit our website and tap on Login. To proceed, please enter your email address followed by your password. After that, tap on the Login button. Once you are logged in, locate the menu on the bottom right of the screen and tap Menu. Next, tap on VPS Application. Before applying for VPS, please read the instructions carefully. Scroll down and select an account to withdraw the usage fee from. Finally, tap on Apply for VPS. We will prepare the VPS as soon as we confirm your application request. Congratulations! You have successfully applied for the IS6FX VPS for your Android device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!